making chocolate crackles?
You will need rice bubbles, kofa, coconut, cocoa powder, icing sugar, a big bowl, 1 cup for measuring, 1 tablespoon for measuring, and patty pans. You will also need an adult to help you melt the kofa. So we've got my dad to start boiling the kofa, so we're going to start by measuring the rice balls. Put it over the bowl, Jacob. Oh, alright. Actually, we're going to scoop. So can you scoop into there and get 1 full cup? Yeah, that's good. Now put it into the bowl. And now 3 more. Yeah, good job. Alright. Yep.
1 more.
A little bit more. Put a little bit more because you didn't get very much in that. Oh, yeah, that's fine. Now find a clip in your drawers and put a clip on this thing. Because your parents will not like it if you don't. Next you need 1 cup of icing sugar, but we're going to put coconut first. Alright, we're doing icing sugar actually. 1 cup, I will do this because this is messy. Even I shouldn't be doing this. Wait, 1 cup. Give me the 1 cup. Yeah, this is it.
Pretty messy. It looks like flour.
Oh, geez. Think that's enough? Oh, geez.
We need a clip. Can I mix it?
We are not up to mixing. Then we need to put in the coconut.
Now when it's up to mixing, can I mix?
Yes, you can do that. So how much again? 1 cup. So that's this.
Whoa, coconut. Didn't like coconut.
Not very much, but I like chocolate crackers. That's about 1 cup.
It's covering the icing sugar.
Alright, next. That's not going to say. Alright. Next we need kofa, which is that. And we don't need that yet. Next we need to put cocoa in. And we need 3 tablespoons. Oh, it smells like chocolate.
I like Milo.
Yeah. I did a really big scoop, so I'm going to put 1 more scoop instead of 2 more. Alright. And then we're going to need to do mixing. And start mixing.
Wow. Wow.
This is the kofa that has been melting. You need to have adult supervision because this is really hot. Alright. We're going to pour it in.
Cool. Making everything melt. Watery. I can't wait until this. I can't wait to see how it turns out. It's turning out brown.
Make sure to stir it until all the powdery stuff is gone.
A little more.
Jacob, your turn.
Wow.
So we have finished finished mixing it thoroughly. So now we have to put it into patty pans. And we're going to be doing that through the magic of editing. Ready, set, and clap. Alright, here are our patty pans. So we're going to put 1 spoon into each of the patty pans, and we're going to mix it every few times we do it. I'll do it first, Jacob.
Okay.
I'm going to put a bit more. I'm going to put 2 more scoops in them.
I think that's enough.
That's enough, right? Yeah.
My turn.
You can do some too, Jacob, it's fine.
Why do I want more? One more scoop.
Can you mix it quickly, Jacob? You can be mixing for us. Good, good. Alright, I'm going to grab some.
Flatten it out.
Alright. Now take 2 spoons and put it in. Not big spoons. Yeah, that's... Now another one. Now I'm going to mix.
Oh. I accidentally got some on the
It's
floor.
fine. We'll always clean it.
My turn again.
So here are our chocolate crackles, and we are going to put them into the fridge until they have solidified. After you can decorate them with any lollies or melted chocolate you have. Thanks for watching.